Hi everybody, Jim and Melanie Barber here, and if you're just tuning in to our channel for the first time, welcome to the Barber Bus.
Yeah, and welcome to our bedroom.
Ooh. We are back here because we just finished our 4-month tour of RV resorts, performing in the Rio Grande Valley of Texas,
Right.
Florida, Arizona. It was a lot of fun. 4 months on the road, 8,000 miles, and every night we slept on this wonderful queen mattress.
Wilderness RV Mattress.
And we found this mattress because the original mattress that came with the coach was the actual original mattress from 1993.
Right.
So it was
Two mattresses.
It was actually two. It was like two twins put together, but they were lightweight. That was the good thing about those mattresses. Very lightweight and very comfortable, except they were kind of hard. But because they were separate mattresses, if you laid in the middle, it would split like a taco and you'd end up being the meat in the sandwich. And is that a good way to explain it?
Yep, that's a good way.
So anyway, we got this new mattress, and we're going to tell you a couple things about it that we found out after sleeping on it for 4 months, and it might surprise you. It surprised us, I will say that. But first, let's go back to our first day of receiving our new mattress, and the reason we got this one was because Wilderness RV Mattresses allowed us to do a custom shape that fit exactly to our bed frame with the right rounded corners to the right inches and everything. And so let's go back in time and we'll look at when we first got this mattress. We are very excited. We got a new delivery today to the Barber Bus. So one of the most important things about camping is comfort, right?
Correct.
And sleeping well when you're on the road.
Correct.
And so that all comes down to your mattress.
Right.
We've got a, what do they call it? A short queen RV
north-south.
size north-south mattress. And this one has the rounded corners at the foot of the bed.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of great mattress stores online where you can get a modern mattress that has the cooling foam, very comfortable. But I had a hard time finding one that actually would allow me to order it with the rounded foot corners. And I found wildernessrvmattress.com. And we ordered our new mattress. And so we're going to be doing an unboxing today. Put that new mattress here on the bed.
Exciting.
And it's going to be a lot of fun. Oh, it's going to be. So get your popcorn. No, don't do that.
No, don't do that.
No. Well, here we are in the bedroom of the Barber Bus, and we've got a nice queen-sized north to south mattress.
Yes.
Vanna White's showing it off right now. There we are.
Excuse me.
And this is the original mattress, and it was in 2 parts, as you see. It's kind of the old foam mattress, a little on the hard side, not the most comfortable.
Well, they're nice,
so
but
we decided we were going to order up some new ones, and we've got a new mattress on the way. Now, the thing about these mattresses is the curved corner here you see at the foot. So let's take out the old mattresses. And fortunately, they're
lightweight.
Split in half, and they're not very heavy. Can you get that by yourself so I can hold this light camera?
Yeah, I can.
Here,
I can.
you want to do it?
No,
You can
but I'll
take
hold
that
it.
there. All right.
There he goes. One down, one to go.
Okay.
Part 1 down. It's time for part 2.
Okay. These mattresses actually are very clean.
They're very nice.
So I
They
think
might
we
go
need
for
to,
a twin bed for somebody or
yeah,
a toddler bed.
we'll repurpose these and donate them to somebody who can use them.
I agree. I agree.
All right, so here we go. This is our big box from Wilderness RV Mattress. wildernessrvmattress.com.
Be careful, I don't want to have the mattress. Oh, here we go. I can get it off. It's coming your way.
There it is.
Yay! Slow and easy. Don't want to cut the mattress. There's tape right here.
Oh boy, enjoy. Okay, so this is the head up there. We want to take that up.
It needs to go that way.
There we go. Woo.
Lord.
It's supposed to sit for 24 hours. There we go, folks.
Yeah.
Our new Wilderness RV mattress.
Yay!
And
I'd lay on it, but
it was so simple even a child could do it. But I don't know why I'm out of breath. That's going to take probably overnight to fully expand. But it's beautiful. It looks like it's only maybe a couple inches taller than the old mattress.
Yeah, it looks nice.
And,
I think it'll be good.
All right. There you go, folks. We'll sleep well.
No more sleeping in the crack.
No more sleeping in the crack.
No more sleeping in the crack.
All right, so here we are back in the Barber bus.
Yes.
4 months later, sleeping on this mattress every night. How did you sleep, Melanie?
I slept wonderful in this mattress.
I did too. It was very, very comfortable.
Yes.
It feels a lot like the mattress that we have at home.
Right.
And I love it because it perfectly fits the curved corners that we had before, which makes it easy to get around the bed.
Well, this is a short queen.
Yeah, it's called a short queen.
Because it's rounded on the side.
And we prefer a queen. Some people like a king size bed,
Yeah.
but you can't even
Find each other.
I'm not going to go any farther than that. You don't need to know. It's none of your business. All right. So, but we do.
I enjoy the hugs in the middle of the night.
And we really did love this mattress. And so we're very, very happy with it. The comfort's been great. There is one thing, though, that did surprise us that we weren't expecting. And that happened just a couple months into having the mattress.
Right.
We noticed that the threads had kind of pulled out along the sides of the mattress on both sides the same way.
Yeah, it's like there's a run in the material.
Right, just on that top
not
layer
sure
of
why,
material.
but-
It doesn't affect the comfort of the mattress.
Sleep
the
well.
mattress is not going to fall apart, so we're not really concerned about that. It's superficial and it's underneath the sheets anyway, so no one knows about it but us. But that was the one thing that we were a little
Right.
surprised to see, because our mattress at home, we've been sleeping on that for many years, and it still looks brand new.
It does.
So the quality of that fabric, at least, was a little disappointing, but not to the point that we're going to complain about, because we got a great price on this mattress. If you're interested, we're not represented. We're not sponsored by this mattress company at all, but we did want to just give a little plug for them. If you're looking for something that's needs a unique fit, very different comfort levels that they offer, so you can pick what's best for you. Fast shipping. It came right to our home. It was an easy setup. In fact, kind of a fun setup to take that thing out of the plastic bag and watch it explode. Anyway, but we're having a good time, and if you've been enjoying following us on our adventures, We really would appreciate it
Yes.
if you would hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe.
Right.
Just click that, and you can also click the little bell to be notified when we have new videos coming out, and give us a like as well.
There will be new videos
That's
coming
easy
out,
for you to say, yes.
after he edits, but we have a lot more things to share with you. So we
Lots
look
of
forward to it.
adventures ahead in the Barber Bus. So thank you for watching. And right after this video, stick around. There'll be another one that you can watch too. And thank you for being part of this journey that we call the Barber Bus here, talking about faith, family, fun, travel,
Love and laughter
on the road as we travel together. Thanks for joining us.